Hi splendid lovers, it's Vlogmas day 3 and we made this mouth-watering fried rice. Like guys, this rice is a banger. You want to stick till the end of this video to see how I prepare this rice, okay? So we are going to be starting off with steaming our meat. I'm using chicken, and to that I'm going to add my diced onion, garlic and ginger. I'll be seasoning with some thyme, some rosemary, some curry powder, my seasoning cubes and salt, of course. So I added some paprika powder as well. If this is your first time coming across my channel, you are highly welcome to the splendid family. Do wait to subscribe to the channel, and to my returning subscribers, massive shout out to you guys. Now I'm going to mix that up to incorporate all the seasoning, like everything should marinate together. You get what I mean? Like, I'm super excited about this recipe because trust me, it tasted so good. Now you are going to cover that and allow it steam. Notice I did not add any water, guys. So once that steamed for about 10 minutes, you are going to open up your pot and add water. Add enough water to cook your meat, okay? And you can use any protein of your choice. Now after adding your water, just stir that up. Like, keep stirring, okay? And cover up your pot for that chicken to cook. Now our chicken is ready. I'm going to proceed to frying them. Fry until it is golden brown or as dry as you desire, okay? So once that is ready, take off remove your chicken from the oil. Now we are going into the cooking of our rice for the fried rice. To my pot, I'm going to add a little bit of butter or margarine, okay, and some vegetable oil. I'm going to add in some curry powder and thyme. After that, I'm going to add in my already washed rice. You have to wash your rice properly, okay? Now it is called fried rice for a reason, guys. You have to fry. You are going to start turning your rice. Fry this until there is no water content inside your rice. Guys, fry this properly. If you follow this method, trust me, your fried rice can last for days and it's not gonna spoil. So guys, after frying my rice and ensuring that there is no more water content inside my rice, I added my meat stock and enough water to cook the rice. Not so much, just your water should be a little bit above your rice, okay? And I added my seasoning cubes and salt for that rice to cook properly. The thing is, I lost that part of the process. I did not realize my phone was not recording. We are going to move to the frying part. I'm going to fry the liver. I'm using liver for this fried rice, and I boiled this with some seasoning and salt. After frying the liver, I'm going to add in my onions. You are going to allow the onions saute for about 2 to 3 minutes, okay? After frying that, you are going to add your veggies. Now this process is quite fast. You are just stir frying everything, okay? I added my green beans and my carrots, and I'm going to stir that. Just keep stirring, okay? This is fried rice and it has to do with lots and lots of stirring, okay? So keep stirring. I'm just going to continue stirring the veggies, and I'm going to add some bell peppers. I'm using green bell pepper and a little bit of red bell pepper, okay? If you have the yellow, the red, feel free to use them, okay? Variety is the spice of life. So just add anything that you want to add. It's fried rice. Add all the veggies, okay? So I'm going to stir that up. Keep stirring. Now I'm going to add in some sweet corn. Yes, this fried rice is loaded, like fully loaded. I'm going to add the sweet corn and continue stirring, guys. Now after adding that, I'm going to add in my red kidney beans. Yes, like I said, it is loaded, and you can see that, of course, it is loaded. So I'm going to add that in and keep stirring. The way I'm excited, you can tell that this rice, it slaps in the right places, guys. I'm not even joking. So keep stirring, okay? After stirring, now you are going to season your veggies with some thyme, some curry powder, seasoning cube, and a little bit of salt. Remember, you already seasoned your rice, so as you are doing this, you are measuring your spices. Don't overspice your rice, you are not going to love it. Don't add too much salt, okay? Keep testing as you go. After doing that, you still want to stir this up and allow this to fry properly, okay? Next, it is time to add the star of the show, which is your already cooked rice, okay? You can see I was like, it was so painful. I had to lose that part where I actually added my meat stock and other stuff to the rice, okay? But it's all good. I believe you guys understand that part. Now just add your rice to your pan, and after adding your rice, it's time for another stirring. Yes, we are stirring and stirring continuously. Stir this up nicely, like you want to fry your rice. It is fried rice, obviously, so you want to fry your rice. Don't just add your rice and stir it for a few minutes and take it off the heat. No, no, no. Stir this up and allow your rice to fry with your veggies, okay? Let that like marinate, know themselves properly. So just fry your rice properly with your veggies, okay? So guys, I'm going to add in my green peas. I did not add this initially because this has already been cooked, like perfectly cooked. I use it for my samosa filling recipe and slightly seasoned, okay? So that's why I did not want to start mixing and mashing everything up. That's why I had to add this at this point. So if you watched up to this point, you want to hit the like button because this rice, in fact, you guys have to like 10 times. Okay, please hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comment section, share the video if you can, okay? If you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe to my channel. And yes guys, I'm going to add in the spring onions, and you know that, okay, this is it, your fried rice is ready. Just give that one more stir and you are good to go, guys. Look at your screen and tell me that you don't want to taste this. Like, this is so good, tasted delicious. Everybody that had this rice, they could testify that this rice was super yummy. Thank you guys. I will see you guys next time. Bye.